Hello friends, welcome to Digital Magnet YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to stop auto start program in Windows 10. So let's start. First of all, you go to your menu bar, then click on settings, open settings folder, then looking for the app, click on an app. After the open this folder, click on the startups, which is there in the below. After that you go through startup apps, sort by startups impact, then click on impact. There will be showing which app will be auto startup when you start your system. So you can customize according to you which one you want to start, which you want to off. So these are the simple steps to find out and stop how auto startup program in Windows 10. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.